नमस्कार, मैं हूँ हिताशा और आज हम मौजूद हैं 12th ग्लोबल स्पाइस समिट में, जो कि हो रहा है शेरेटन ग्रैंड पैलेस इंदौर में। इस समिट को ऑर्गेनाइज किया है एनएनएस मीडिया ग्रुप ने।
12वें ग्लोबल स्पाइस समिट के मुख्य प्रायोजक एमडीएच ग्रुप रहे। समिट में सीपी मसाले के डायरेक्टर मधुप माधव, पीसी कनन एंड कंपनी के मैनेजिंग पार्टनर पीसी के महेश्वरन, एनसीडीएक्स के सीनियर वाइस प्रेसिडेंट अरुण यादव, सेसोटेक इंडिया प्राइवेट लिमिटेड के मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर मकरन मांडके, हमदर्द फूड्स इंडिया के एजीएम मार्केटिंग अमित भटनागर, काशी इम्पेक्स के डायरेक्टर ऋषभ जैन, श्याम धानी इंडस्ट्रीज प्राइवेट लिमिटेड के जोनल बिजनेस मैनेजर प्रदीप पारेख, मयंक इंडस्ट्रीज के मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर मयंक अग्रवाल एवं डीवी एंटरप्राइजेस के मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर गौरव अग्रवाल की गरिमामयी उपस्थिति रही।
Welcome to Global Spice Summit. Tell me something about your company.
We are one of the oldest company, around 40 years old. Our company's name is Pulman Private Limited. We have been in this field for more than 40 years. We are one of the pioneers in making hammer mills, micropulverizers, and various other type of pulverizing. Our name itself suggests pulverizer manufacturer. That is Pulman. It means pulverizer manufacturer. We are basically into size reduction technology in every field, mostly every field. And spices is one of our main concerns. We manufacture a completely automatic system, including everything, almost all sort of equipments. That's all.
What are your future plans for expansion?
We have a big plant in Ahmedabad, in Vatua area, and we are currently looking after going for expansion and everything. But mainly our concern, we manufacture plant and complete system, so we don't need that much space. Most of the manufacturing in-house, then we do our integration in site, so we don't need that much of a space. So that's it.
What are you expecting from 12th Global Spice Summit?
Actually, we are expecting some good inquiries, good exposure. This is our first exhibition mainly for spices and everything, so we are expecting some good results from here. Good inquiries or good exposure. That's more important.
All the very best, sir. Thank you.